Hello everyone. This is our project student documentation verification platform. In this, student can use their documents to store in our platform, which is a blockchain based verification platform. It offers a secure, transparent, and tamper proof solution for verifying the educational and the professional certificates. Here, let's go and connect with wallet. Here, student can come and enter their email ID to log in, and it sends a verification code.
five 513
Okay.
1160.
After entering the OTP, it creates a wallet address, separate wallet address for the registered email ID. Here you can see it produces a separate email wallet address for this email ID. Using that, we can use further in the process of registration. Here, student comes and clicks the register as a student, and here he can add their name, like let's say for example Manu, student name, and student ID which is, let's assume 3, and institute ID which is currently studying, let's assume like 123, and wallet address must be here, that's been showing. Here we can copy the wallet address, and we can place here and their email id which is here. We can copy that, and we can place here email id and click for register. It will take some time, and registration was successful. And after the registration process, he navigates to the direct student login page, and he again he selects the his address and clicks for a login, which has been login. This is a student profile. In the student profile, we have two options, like fetch student details, which means the student details can be retrieved through a address, and the second option is upload documents. Here we can put the address and fetch student details. Here we can see the name, student ID, institute ID, and what address can be seen. And if a student wants to upload a documents, he can remember his student ID, through which student ID he can upload the document. Here the student ID which is 3, then he upload the documents, like a student document name which is a like for example like a diagram we can say, and here student ID which is 3, and he can select the file. After selected file, he can choose any file he want. Here we should select which one. Okay, this one. If we select the picture and he clicks for a submit, let's see. You can see the file uploaded successfully, which means the student can successfully uploaded the document in the blockchain. After that he can clicks backs, and he can log out, which means the as a student he can register and log in and upload the documents, which is completed the part of student registration and login. Let's move to the as a register as a student. Before that, we can remove, disconnect. Let's disconnect the wallet address, and let's move to the connect wallet. Here, as a institute, they should log in through their email ID. Like for example, I can use my email ID. I click enter, and I got a verification code. For that, I can let's go for connection wallet. Here we can enter the institute email ID, which is um, new email ID. Let's connect. Let's try again. It's taking some little time. We can wait for some time. The email ID is looks good, but we can enter the institute email address. Let's wait for 9 seconds. We got an OTP, which is 235613. After the confirmation of email, for a separate wallet address can be created for that email address. So we can copy that email wallet address, and we can click for a register as a institute. Here we can enter the name of institute, which is like let's say for example VJIT, and for example institute ID, which is 123 for example, and what address can be copied from the wallet, and the email ID, which is official email ID of a institute. Then we can click the registering. We have registered successfully, and we can navigate directly to the institute login page. Here we can uh, copy the wallet address and use the wallet address for the login purpose. let's copy it, and we can log in here. We can enter the institute profile. Here there are three options, which is fetch institute details, which means the institute can fetch their details by adding their own wallet address. And here second option, there they can fetch the student details by entering the address of the student, and they can also see and verify the documents uploaded by the student through all this done through their addresses. For example, let's paste the institute wallet address here and fetch the institute details. Here we can see the name of the institute and ID, wallet address, and if official email ID for the institute has been seen. And now we can use the student wallet address for their fetching their data. For this, we can use the wallet address of a student and fetch the student details also. Here we can see uh, name, Manu, and student ID and institute ID, and their wallet can be seen. And we can view the documents of a student uploaded, which is view document. Here we can see the document uploaded by the student directly, and we can verify the document directly. Here we can click the as a institute, they can click the verify. Yes, the document is verified successfully, and then go back, then next back, and the institute can successfully verify the student document through their wallet address. And here we can end by quit, log out. Shopping cart. And if student meets if their item, and we have also added some extra features like if a student wants to buy some items or products, he can buy the products using our shopping cart. Like firstly, he can connect with a wallet by typing their address, which is here. Student already connected with their wallet address, and he can come, and he can click for a login just by copying the wallet address, login as a student, and he can use this wallet address for the login purpose. And after that, sometimes he need to buy the student products, just like for the laptop or books, he can use our platform to buy the products. Like here student come and purchase the products they wanted. Here all the prices are in the different like ethereum, bitcoin, or some other coins as well. If he don't have any cryptocurrency, he can buy the cryptocurrency through this button, buy crypto, which can directly navigates through the Binance, no, Coinbase network, and he can successfully buy the cryptocurrencies. And if he wants to purchase a bag with for a bitcoin, he have a ethereum, so he can use a swap button for swapping the tokens as he wants. For sometimes, let's for example, if he wants to if he have a USDC coin and he wants to swap it for a link, for example, he can put the USDC, and we can get the link according to their prices, which can be done here. Student can also swap the coins for purchase of the products as well. and that's all.